Hello guys, I'd like to share my experience after riding the fat tire folding e-bike. It is an amazing bike with tires of 20 by 40. This is very awesome because the bike has very amazing features on it. The Bafang Motor integrated wheel, which is available at 250 watts, 350 watts, 500 and 750 watts. Optional. This bike also has a maximum speed of 45 kilometers per hour, and most importantly, this bike can be folded into three. The steering can be folded and can be folded perfectly. This bike also has adjustable height, which can permit you adjust the height of the seat to your preferred height according to your option. And also the steerings can be adjustable freely with your option. From this bike also has a rear and front suspension, which permits you to ride on any kind of road of your choice with ease and comfortability. There are two models and of bike assistance. You can use the pedal assist mode, or you can still use the throttle assist mode based on the option you want to use. You can switch the throttle mode or the pedal mode depending on the distance you wish to cover. It is very cool, and the wheels are integrated than the spoke wheel, stronger and can be ride on gravel roads, muddy roads and sandy roads. This is the perfect bike for relaxation. It's a very cool bike and also has other features like very good lighting system and very good bike. I love it.